Hey, what's going on, everybody? Aaron Hilliard for Mushroom Wonderland. So tonight I'm gonna take these morels. I'm gonna make an amazing dish with them. I found these growing yesterday just in the side yard. And today I'm gonna fill them with smoked Gouda cheese, top them with beef tenderloin, and roast them to perfection. These are Morchella importuna, a saprotrophic morel. They've actually learned how to cultivate these, but I found all these beauties just growing wild. So I wanna make sure to get these well cooked. We're gonna get these in the oven, kind of pre-cook them before I put the steak on at the very end and finish them off in the broiler. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Mushroom Wonderland. Let's make the most amazing stuffed morels you've ever had in your life. All right, here's the moment of truth. Gonna try these morels with filet mignon and smoked Gouda. That is everything I love. It's so good. So thanks for joining this episode. Make sure to tune back in to Mushroom Wonderland. I'll see you on the next one. Much love.